In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize your button text descriptors across all your active forms in Typeform. This is a fantastic way to give your forms a unique personality and make them feel much more aligned with your specific brand voice. To get started, first open the specific form you want to change within your Create workspace. Once you have the form editor open on your screen, look over at the left-hand navigation column and click on the Settings gear icon located there. After the Settings menu expands, you will need to select the language option from the list of available settings. From here, simply click on the button labeled Edit System Text. This action will cause a structural list to slide open, revealing all of the default button labels, error alerts, and various helper text fields that Typeform uses. Now you can easily scroll through the different categories to find the labels you want to modify. You can locate target buttons, such as the Welcome Screen Start button, the Final Submit button, or even the small OK button used throughout the form. To change them, just click into the text field and type your custom descriptor overrides. This allows you to turn a standard Submit button into something more exciting, like Let Us Go or Send My Results. Once you have finished entering all of your custom text for each category, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom to apply your changes. Your form will now display your personalized buttons to every respondent.